Hey everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on the 1gbits YouTube channel where I'll show you how to set up a V2Ray VPN on your VPS. Whether you're setting up a VPN for added privacy, bypassing geo restrictions, or enhancing security, I've got you covered. Don't worry if you're not super tech-savvy, I'll walk you through the entire process, and you'll have your VPN up and running in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to 1gbits channel so you don't miss out on new videos. Grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into it together. First, you'll need to open your Putty configuration window. If it's empty, go ahead and enter your hostname and port number. Once that's done, click OK. Now that the terminal is open, you should log in. In this example, we'll be logging in as the root user. Enter your password. Next, we need to start with a simple script. Type the following command. Now we're going to install curl. Type hit enter and wait while the installation is complete. Once the installation is done, it's time to download the setup script for V2Ray VPN. Type this command. Next, let's give the script permission to run. Type Now it's time to install. Simply type Toward the end of the process, you'll be asked a question. Just type N. Now that the setup is done, open your browser and enter the IP address of your server and port number to reach the management dashboard. Default port is 54321. On the login page, enter your username and password to log in. And there you go! Your V2Ray VPN is now installed and running on your VPS. To change the panel language, just right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English. To update your username and password, go to Panel Settings from the left sidebar, then head over to the User Setting tab. Here, you can change your login details. And that's it. You've successfully set up your V2Ray VPN. You can also get your own 1gbits V2Ray VPS from anywhere in the world that you want. Check out the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.